Good morning. Right now I am in the car and I am heading out to go see one of my good friends, Steven. He is one of New York City's most famed fashion photographers, and we're gonna have some coffee and I'm gonna show him the A6400 to get his impressions and to see what he thinks of it, because he's a longtime Canon shooter like me, and I'm curious what he has to say about this little beast of a camera. So let's head out. All right, so Steve,
yes,
we're having coffee. There's
lovely
also
Starbucks.
something I want to show you that's in the car that I'm going to go get right now. What do you think it is?
It's got to be something sound related if I know you.
Think again.
Imaging.
One more guess. All right, I'll be right back. I want to see your expression.
Okay.
So one other thing I'm going to do is also shoot some slow motion on the A6400. I haven't done that before. I'm going to do it at 120 frames per second and also an S&Q mode. And I'll make sure to put in the bottom what mode it's in when you see the footage. I think that the A6400 allegedly does some really great slow-mo, so we're going to see if it actually does. Before I show you, tell me about a little bit of the gear you use and stuff for your fashion photography.
I am such a Canon fanboy. I use the EOS R, and then my backup camera, which I don't think you know about, is the EOS RP. And 7200 is like the essential runway lens.
So have you ever used like Nikon or Sony or anything?
I wouldn't even know my way around the Nikon, and I never want to learn.
Okay. What about
Sony is very good for video, but again, everything is Canon right now.
Gotcha. So this is what we have to look at today. Is the Sony 6400.
Wow, I like the tripod.
So
this is nice.
APS-C, it shoots 120 frames per second in HD.
Oh my god.
4K 30, 4K 24.
It's so light, but it feels like solidly built and everything.
Yeah.
Oh, and you got the small rig.
I got the small rig for the microphone.
I love small rig.
Today I'm going to take some video of it just to show you the slow motion, because your Canon EOS R does slow-mo, right?
Yeah, but you said you have 120...
I have 120 frames per second.
1080?
1080.
Oh my god.
And there's a feature on there that I think you really like when it comes to photography.
What is it?
Eye tracking, which is one of the best you've ever seen, I think.
Which, thankfully for the EOS R, they finally have eye tracking,
yeah.
But I have a feeling it's going to get better in the future when and if I ever get the R5.
Take my mask off. So you see it has a box around my face, right?
Yes, yeah.
Now, I want you to hold the recycling button on the bottom left there.
Okay.
What does that do?
Oh wait, I messed it up. The garbage can?
Yeah. Is it doing it or no?
Oh!
What is that? What do you
Man,
see?
it locked on quick. Oh my god. That was really quick, man.
Is that box there?
Yeah. But that locked, it's just on you. It's like...
It doesn't go away. What do you think of that eye tracking?
It's beautiful.
Go ahead, snap a
my
photo.
God.
Take a picture. The shutter's up there.
I don't think... Oh, wow. Oh, wow. This is really cool. Wait, let me trick it. Bam. Gotcha. Oh!
What do you think of that?
This is phenomenal.
What do you think of the Sony's
I love it. I love it. It's good, and Canon's catching up, and I'll wait. Okay. But that's amazing.
All right, that's it. That's the video. What do you think? Do you think S&Q looks better than slowing it down at 120? Let me know in the comments section. Of course, I am Ken, the content coach. Thanks so much for stopping by, and go out and make something. I also forgot to say one thing. Make sure you follow my buddy Steven on Instagram and TikTok. He absolutely kills it with the content, and he does incredible shoots. So go follow him. I'll leave links to his stuff in the description below. Again, I'll see you later. I'm Ken, the content coach. Go out now. Go make something. I already said that, but you know what I mean.
So we have found the paparazzi style lens for sure.